Hello friends, welcome to my channel Coding Lovers. We are going to discuss about slices. Slices are dynamic array in Golang, means slices size increase dynamically. Slices keep reference of array, means slices are reference type not value type. Slices always point to an array, so keep three things: pointer of first element, length and capacity, which we will discuss in code. We can create slices from array. For example, my slices equal to are 1 to 6. 1 is lower bound, 6 is upper bound, 1 is included and 6 is excluded. Means we are creating slices from first element of array. Means uh, if we are taking ones, means array second element will be first element of slices. Len method for length and cap method for capacity of slices, which we will discuss in code. We can use make method to create slices. We can use append method to append element in the slices. Once capacity of slices is full, then capacity will be increased by double. Let us jump on VS Code. Hello friends, I have already created file slices.go. So first we will initialize an array and then we will create slices from array and we will understand the concept of length and capacity. A shorthand operator. We are going to initialize 10 size of array. So we will give size and data type is integer and we will initialize it using 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we will create slice from array, so we can easily create b equal to a from which element we want to take. Suppose I want to take from 2 element and till what element I want to take. So suppose I want to take 5. So it will create the slices. 2 is lower bound and 5 is upper bound. So it will take from 2 and exclude 5, mean 2 to 4. So it will take 2, 3, second, third and fourth element. So we can print A and B, format.println A equal to A, format.println B equal to B. Now we will print length and capacity. For length there is a function len. We will pass the slices, and for capacity there is a function cap. Now we will prove that slices are reference type, not value type. So we will update any element of slices. It will be updated in array also. So let me take b2 equal to 125. Now we will again print A and B. So format.println A and format.println B. For appending element in B, we can use append method. So append, if you will see the syntax of append, we will give the slice and the elements which we want to append. So suppose I want to append 3 elements in B. So B, comma 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, and we will take assign it into B. Again we will print A and B. can use make method to create the slice. So we can use make. So if you will see make, we can give the type. So I want to take integer array type. So array int, and we can give the size. Suppose I want to give the size 5. I will run a for loop and initialize it. So for I equal to 1, I less than 6, I plus plus, a index start from 0, so we will take a I minus 1. We are assigning it into C. So we will take C I minus 1 equal to I. Now I will print C. Now our code is ready. Let me explain how length and capacity work in slices. So length is basically we can take difference of lower bound and upper bound. Lower bound is 2 and upper bound is 5. So it will be 5 minus 2, 3. How it will work? It will consider second element, third element and fourth element. So total number of elements are 3. For capacity, we can take lower bound of slice and we can minus from the length of array. So array length is 10 and lower bound is 2. So 10 minus 2, it will be 8, because it starts from 2 second element of array and its capacity is capacity of array, remaining capacity of array. So remaining capacity is 8. We have updated the element, so it is a reference type, so it will be updated in A also. We have appended few elements, so it would be appended in B and it will be appended in A because it is a reference type. Reference type is a bit tricky. I will take one more example to explain it. We can use make to create the slices. So in make I can pass the type and size, so it will create the slices. I have initialized using for loop and I have printed. Now our code is ready. We can go run slices.go. So cd src go run slices.go. 925 3 25 3. Okay, this will be not shorthand operator, it would be equal to operator. So if you will see, age from 1 to 10, B 2 to 5, so it is taken 3 4 5, length is 3, correct, capacity is 8, because from here 8 elements are pending. Now if you will see, I have updated B, so third element is 125 and it has been updated in array A also. I have appended few element in B, so it has been updated in A also because B is a reference type. And I have created an array C, basically slices C, and I have printed slices C, so it is 1 2 3 4 5. Fine. Suppose if I am adding more element than the capacity of array, so it will leave that array and it will create a new array and point to that array. So suppose I am taking 126, 127, 128, 129, 130. Save. Now we can run it again. Go run slices.go. So if you will see, original array A is same 1 2 3 4 5 125 and 10, and B is pointing to new array. So our code is running fine. Thanks for watching Coding Lovers. Like and subscribe.